Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome all you, I love you, appreciate. Today I received a phone call from someone saying he has my parcel and the person who sent the parcel is unknown. So that's where I'm heading to so that I get to know who really sent that parcel. So guys, accompany with me so that we can see what's really happening. Though until this moment I don't know what's happening. So let's go, I show you how we learn together. Sounds funny. I don't know what it's all about this. Why is this happening to me, man? Hope I'm not going to be bombed or to be virused. So let's keep on. Guys, I'm almost here at the place where my product was, my parcel was dropped. Let me reach here. We see what's happening. Allegiant Son got me. West Nash. So this is the parcel. I don't know what's inside here. I don't know if it's a bomb or it's a virus. So you guys, let's witness together so we see what's inside here. Though I don't have any idea what it's all about. Come on. Just help me that scissor. Let's do it organically. Now I'm in a rush to see what is inside. I'm very curious. I'm very curious. I'm in a rush. Wow, okay. Wow, come on. Video making kits. AY49. Come on, can't see. For the first time I've managed to have this. It's a gift. Let's unbox it. Come on, see. So I'm not going to have a trembling video. This way. Oh, this one is wow, come on, see. Fully packed. Wow. So at this point, I have no idea, but I'm going to read the manual. So on how to assemble it. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So according to this manual here, I can see this is a LED 49R. This is a LED light. Then I have this is what, how do you call this, a mic? I don't know. This is a remote shutter. This I don't have idea, let's skip it. Then I have this one here, let me just put this side. This is a mic. This is a mic. Yes, thank you. And this is a tripod. So I'm going to use this as to it. How to assemble it. Okay, this one according to this. According to the other tripod, I think this one should be placed this way. And then this one should come this way. Oh, sorry. This I think it should be this way. Then this one here. This LED light should be here. Yeah. This one And then this mic here. This mic should be here. Yes, then what else? And then this one here. These are tripods, so I should be this apart. So I have a complete tripod. And there's something that has made. I should be having a phone, so we test it. Oh, forgotten, we have this one, this a phone. This one should be here. Then according to this one here, it's the mic. That is indicated this way. So this one should be put here. The mic. And this one is indicated here. The phone, you see? So the phone should be here. Yeah, so it's complete. So from there, I also have this. This is a remote shutter. This one I'm going to use it when I start operating it. So how about, let me see if there is battery inside. Right, there's no batteries. But let me organize how to get the battery so that we start testing it. Yes, I have the batteries here. Let me see if they still this way. Yes. Now this is on and off. Surely. So I'm letting now go to testing it. So acha tu niende tu. I'm connecting it to YouTube, to Bluetooth. Hello guys, I'm done with the setup. Now I want to do what we call testing. As usually, I literally hold my camera this way. I call on you guys. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Samok Safaris. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Show love, it's one love. Appreciate for the one who has sent me the gift. Though I don't know who the person is. You're going to reveal yourself when this thing is done. Kindly show love, one love. Thank you so much. Hey guys, that was indoor. Now I'm doing it outside here. This is how I usually do. I usually hold the phone this way, but today I'm going to hold this way. Before that, I want to thank the guy who has put me in this. Though you have not revealed yourself, but I say thank you guys. I appreciate. Thank you for the love. Thanks for the support. Also, as well, you can do that as well for the guys who are watching me. If you love what I'm doing, kindly support. If not only you send me the gift, but kindly subscribe. First of all, I want to show you guys where I'm at today. Today I'm at Prime Computers, this area here. This is Prime Computer. This is the way you usually report about this area here. This is Hispania. I'm a veteran of Hispania, and we're going to enjoy both of us. Most of us, we're going to love this. As much as I have these devices here, good things are going to happen. Guys, I'm very happy. Thanks for supporting me. I appreciate one love. Kindly support. I'm very happy. Thank you guys. I love you all. One love.
Yeah. Okay. Hapa ni Prime Computers. We have received a new product, a video. Tuko hapa. Unaitwa nani?
Unajiita Bosco.
Bosco. Kijana Bosco hapa. Ukiangalia nyuma yake kuna rim paper. Alafu kuna huyu hapa anaitwa bwana
Samok Safaris. Kindly subscribe
kabisa.
for more content. Kindly do that.
Huyu hayuko YouTube huyu.
Yuko ndio hiyo Gibson Bosco #Kenya.
Haya, kuna huyu jamaa mwingine, huyu sasa ni Prime Computers. My friend, jambo.
Jambo sana. Habari ya leo.
Iko sawa?
Naona mmepokea kifaa kipya cha kazi
Kabisa.
Nawatakia kila laheri.
Hapo kwa laheri. Hiyo laheri ndo tutaki hiyo. Laheri.
Tuko kwenye mic testing.